How we install beige thin brick veneers on exterior walls. In this video, I'm going to show you how we installed 500 square feet of thin brick veneers on a few exterior walls of a home here in Southwest Ranches, Florida. The first area we started the installation was the entryway wall. We did the necessary layout for the brick courses and popped some chalk lines on the wall. Then we applied blue bonding agent for better adhesion. The walls can get dusty sometimes, and this blue bonding agent will provide the best bond for the bricks. You can pour it in a paint tray and roll it on the walls with a fluffy paint roller. You can dilute your bonding agent with water. It gives more square footage and also allows to see our guidelines better. We started to mix the thinset mortar. We used this as an adhesive for the brick veneer. Put water in the bucket halfway and pour the thinset powder in it. Leave some space for the mixer so it won't splash all around the floor. We mixed our thinset with a mixer to a thick peanut butter consistency. As you can see, it is thick enough to stick to the margin trowel. This is essential for a quick and straight installation. The thick consistency of the thinset will hold the brick tiles on the walls without sliding. This allows for a fast and more accurate installation. The lines of bricks will stay in place after installation. We butter the back of each brick with the thinset and install them on the wall. You can wiggle the tiles a little bit and apply a little pressure on them for better adhesion. In the meantime, we started chipping out the old stucco from the base walls of the carport. It had a thick textured stucco made to look like coral stones. It had to go. We set a few buckets upside down and put a plank on them for work area. We stacked up the bricks and set up the bucket with the thinset for an easier and more efficient installation. We started at the end of the corners and wrapped the bricks around it 1 feet for a more finished look. Since we didn't go all the way up, we decided to do a soldier course to spice up the pattern a bit. On the short wall, we finished chipping the stucco. We sprayed water on it and washed all the dust before we applied the bonding agent. After that, we needed to do some patch-ups as well. When the stucco dried, we popped some chalk lines and started installing the bricks on the short wall. The next step was the grouting. We used hydrated lime and S-type mortar mix for the grout. We added a scoop of hydrated lime to each bucket. This makes the mortar more mushy and workable, so it comes out the grouting bag easy. After the mortar dried, we used a concave tool to shape up the joint. It gives a more rounded look to the mortar. We waited about 10 minutes for the mortar to dry. Then we brushed the excess mortar off of the walls with a stiff brush. The walls with beige brick veneers turned out great. These brick veneers are an excellent fit for the outside wall. The rustic style beige Chicago brick tiles are very popular with designers and homeowners alike. You can give a coastal feel to any wall in just a day or two. We manufacture thin brick veneers in 30 colors and can create your custom colors too. We can even pre-whitewash your beige brick veneers if you want. You can order free brick samples on our website.